Hi guys, it's Eileen. Welcome to our home tour. I hope you all enjoy the spring and Easter decor. Let's get started. So here's the back side of our front entry, and there's that DIY sign we made. And this little white bunny was something my daughter and my son put together, and I put that on his door. And to the right we have our dining room. There's the cross that they also made, and I put that on our mirror. And the Happy Easter sign I made from cardstock, and I shared with you all in my Easter stash. And I just hung it up there with all my crosses. And these prints are all online. I don't remember where I got it because it's 7 years old now. So, just use Google. And you'll find up these cute prints are out there for free. And I just printed them up on cardstock and cut out my letters like freehand. Yeah. In the corner here I put some Dollar Tree dogwood flowers that I've been collecting. And then in the china cabinet I found this free print online. This was a while ago, so I don't remember any links, guys. I'm so sorry. I put my little baby chick egg holders and my little piggy holders in my china cabinet. More Dollar Tree florals. And I just put some plastic Easter eggs that I had in my stash in the little cups. And on the dining table, I put my little boy and girl bunny that I picked up from Walmart this year. And these are all from my stash. And I made some adjustments to them and hot glued some of the things that came apart. But yeah, my little rosettes, they're up there still. Some Dollar Tree stickers and Walmart table confetti. There's a little girl. Looks all cute with her bunny and with her carrot. So that's our dining room display for now. And you can see it says Happy Easter in the background. Don't mind the large TV, we're getting rid of that. And this is my entryway table, and we have our little birds set up on the left, and you can see my fairy garden displayed in the middle. I also have the bunnies on the right, and my two other fairy gardens are on the bottom. So my 3-tier tray that I DIY'd, I just put my fairy garden pieces on that second tier. Little birdies I have on the top with the Easter eggs that I picked up from Walmart. And I just added some roses around them. And there you see the Dollar Tree fairy garden items. And the large Easter eggs from Walmart. Now I got that cross also from Walmart. I thought it was very cute. And there is our fairy garden. I don't have any lights on this one, guys, but I think I'll put some later. But for now, I think I'll leave it just the way it is. I think it's very adorable. The little fairies. So here on the right, I have that bunny plaque and the carrots right here. I just picked up from Target the other day. And I'm going to take it, I think, and I want to move it to the dining table. Thought I'd suit it better over here. But nothing is ever permanent. We can move it around, change things up, which might happen. So here we are again at the entryway, and this is my favorite fairy garden that I've created so far. The little purple house, and all the little fairies are here minding their garden. It's super cute. So fanciful. I love it. And I love this Dollar Tree sign. I didn't do anything to it. And there's our little house. I couldn't fit it into a garden, so we just put it on display. And you can see this one, this is the ceramic house, the fairy house. And it had a hole in the bottom, so I stuck some of the lights inside and it lit it up really cute. Looks like blue lights. Yeah, and that is it for our entryway. So here is my favorite wreath so far. I've made this 3 years ago and I used all the items from Dollar Tree. And I love all the butterflies on it. They just look like they're flying around the garden. And yeah, stuck that on the master door. And here are some egg garlands I just hung up in the living room windows. I didn't get around to putting ribbon on it, so I guess they'll stay that way. And there's my bunny banner from Walmart. I didn't do anything to it, just kept it just the way it is. And then there's another floral arrangement that I created last year. And didn't make any changes to it, but they do have lights. It's nice and lit. Gets those colors popping. So all the items here I used to make this floral arrangement are from Dollar Tree and Walmart. I made these little rosettes from cupcake liners from Walmart, and I used Dollar Tree stickers, and those little Easter eggs are also from Dollar Tree. And I love how the light is coming up from the bottom. It just makes it come alive, you know? So there's another garland, egg garland. I just hung it on the blinds. And this little bunny here, I crocheted a little square and tied it up into different sections, and that's what created my bunny. And all I had to do was make a pom-pom and sewed it on to the back of the bunny. And I added a purple little ribbon there and stuck him on a basket with some Dollar Tree roses. And I think it's just so cute. And there's our little bunny head that I picked up from Big Lots. And so if you've noticed those flower arrangements right underneath it, those have been there since Valentine's Day. I think they were just so cute. I didn't want to put them away, so I kept them there. And I thought it would make a really cute arrangement. So that's what it looks like, right near my TV in my kitchen. And I think it's so cute. So here's my extra large or extra long Easter egg garland. And I just added the little bows that I shared with you all from my Easter stash. I made them 3 years ago, and I just keep them just like that. I don't take them take them apart. I just take it off of the garland. So when I want to put them back up, I just hook it onto that. And on my kitchen counter, I just added my table topper with the little butterfly and the bunny inside my DIY egg tiered egg. I don't know what to call it, but I love it. I said it was perfect for the kitchen. Right next to my bunny cookie jar, which is empty right now. No goodies yet. above the microwave, I just took my spring banner and hung it up at the very top. And then when it gets closer to Easter, all I have to do is flip the banner and the back side will say Happy Easter. And there's a little bunny with the little flower, and the butterfly is from Dollar Tree, and so are the letters. I picked up the wood letters from Dollar Tree and I just painted them up and added it to my banner. And that's what it looks like. So here on the stovetop, I have my little egg plates that I shared with you in my Easter stash. I put one on the right, and then the one that said Happy Easter I put right on the stovetop. And then I put the other on the left. And those are sitting on the Dollar Tree picture holders or picture stands. And that'll conclude my Easter spring home tour. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.